Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. In this video, I'm going to go over disposable cup paint systems. One of the reasons why I wanted to do this video is I saw a video from Refinish Media. He did a video on this. So I kind of wanted to touch base on it and go over what I use. If you go to Refinish Media, check out his YouTube channel. He knows a lot more than I do about painting. Seems like he's a pro painter, where I'm a beginner painter. So check out his video. I'll leave a link to his video in the description. So check him out. I want to give him props because he's the one that inspired me to do this video. I just wanted to go over my thoughts on it, what I use, so you can decide what you want to do. Like he said in his video, the reasons why you would want to use disposable paint system from just using like the paint cup method with the strainer. It saves you time and money doing it. And the reason it saves you time and money is because when you're using this system, you put this strainer over, you take your paint, you pour the paint in there, you let it strain out in there, right? So now you've bought one of these, you got your paint in there, then you mix it up, and then you pour it in here, you put your cap on, you spray with it. And then you have to clean everything out because this is not disposable. You have to take your time to clean this out really good. So when you put your other paint in there, your old crackly dried up paint in there doesn't mix in with your new paint you put in there. So you got to make sure they're cleaned really good. So that's the main reasons why you would want to use it. And disposable paint system is fairly cheap for your time that you would spend cleaning out that cup here every time you mix something in it, whether it's base coat, primer, clear coat, whatever. It all has to be cleaned out the same. So the cost, I want to go over the cost, how much it actually costs per every time you use one. Because I think that's really important to people to kind of wrap their head around it, how much it really doesn't cost that much versus your time. So I'm going to be going over, this is Limeline carries their system, and that's what I'm going to be going over. If you want 10% off these products, just go to the link in the description and use that link and you'll get 10% off. And I'll tell you the prices without the 10% off and what the 10% off price would be. And I have them written down here, so I might be looking down here at my paper. So he offers on LimelinePaintSupply.com, he offers the 20-ounce cups and the 10-ounce. This is the 10-ounce right here. And he offers it in refills. Pack, which is a 25 refill pack, which is you'll get just the liners, the cap, the top, with the strainer in it, and right here a plug that you can plug in here if you have something mixed and you want to plug it, especially like base coat, because you can save that. It will last quite a while if you plug it. It may extend the life of clear coats a little bit. The time on that you have to use it, I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's what you'll get with the refill packs. And those, 25 pack you'll get in those. And then he also offers 50 pack where you get 50 of these, 50 of these, and 50 of these. Plus you'll get another cup and retaining ring. And one thing I wanted to mention too while I'm looking at it. So yeah, all these caps have a filter on them. So it does away with this right here. So you just pour it in here and you're ready to go because this will filter it as it goes into your gun. So that's way nice. So let's get to the cost. So for a 20-ounce, 25 pack refill, you're talking $1.60 each time you use one. Each time you put paint in it and then throw it away. With 10% off, that's $1.40. The 50 pack with the cup, $1.45. Which is actually a little bit cheaper, and you get the cup with it every time each use, and 10% would be $1.31 is what you're going to be paying per use. And then in the 10-ounce cups, the 25 pack refill, $1.16. 10 ounces is this size right here, $1.16 per each use, 10% off, 95 cents. Yeah, what's a minute of your time? What takes you more than a minute to clean that guy out, every time. 50 pack with the cup, $1.20. 10% off is $1.08. I mean, yeah, you can't beat that. So yeah, so you have to ask yourself, you know, even at the most expensive option here, you're looking at $1.40. I know my time, $1.40 of my time is way shorter just doing this, spending $1.40 than it is with all this jazz right here. But that's for you to decide for yourself. I'm just giving you the info, and like always, I just throw out there what I do. And remember, I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional painter. I haven't been to school. Not like probably the guy on Refinish Media who's awesome. And I actually learn from him every time he puts something out. It seems like I'm like, oh yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, so definitely don't forget to go check him out. So yeah, let me show you how this kind of all goes together. So when you get it, so yeah, what you're gonna do is you'll just take one of these cups, fairly simple. One of these liners, I mean, and take the cup, put the liner in there, and then on the cup, so it does away with this jazz right here. It has all your ratios here all along the side of the cup. So it has 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, and 100 to 80 or something. I never even heard of that one, but it's got it on there. But yeah, so it has all your measurements on there. So then you're going to make your mixture ratio, put it in there. You're going to take your lid with that has your filter in there. You're going to snap it on. Take your retainer ring, and that just screws on, and give it a good twist, tighten on there. And then you're going to take your gun with the adapter on your gun. And you're just going to push it on there and give it just a twist till it locks in, and then you're ready to go. You spray it, get done spraying. What I always do when I'm done spraying and I'm going to take this off, I hold it like this, kind of upside down. I pull the trigger. You'll see that releases kind of the pressure that's built up there, the vacuum, and it'll drain all the whatever you have in there, kind of most of it out of the gun. And then, so then when you release it, you don't have a big gob of something coming out. So you pull that off. You'll undo the lock ring. You'll take this and you throw it away. That's gone. And then next time, do the same thing. Take another one, take a lid, put it on, lock ring, so on and so forth, and you're ready to go. Now, one thing I wanted to mention is you'll need what doesn't come with the kit or the set of cups is this adapter that you'll need that goes onto this. And I thought I had it written down here, the cost of that. But I don't. But it's you'll find it on Limeline's website. I think it's like $40 for $40 or $50, but you get the whole set of anything that'll fit any gun. There's like 5 pieces you get that'll fit any gun that you have. So yeah, that wraps up this video of using the disposable paint cup system. Yeah, you decide if you like to use it. If you're already using it, you already know the benefits, and you'll probably keep using it. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can on those. And then I'll see you on the next one.